So now we know the basics for the animation workspace, the graph editor, the dope sheet right here. So let's actually animate this. So we're gonna go here. So we have the rising up, and that's a little too harsh. I want it kind of smoother. Let's do this. Let's go here, a bit smoother. Okay. And frame, let's say 110, GZZ. So that's to go inwards. Okay, let's do this. Go back here. Goes up. And that's a little too harsh. Let's just drag this out a little bit. Let's just look at it from a different angle. This. Go here. Let's do our, yeah, let's do GZZ. No, let's do GZ. GZZ. GCZ. GCZ. Just kind of puts it into view. And let's just have it at frame 250. Now let's go into render view, see what it looks like. And that looks pretty clean. So there's a lot of different stuff you can do with this. For example, if you really wanted to, you could have the path. So if you remember the tutorial of where we're having the blended object following the path, you can do the exact same thing with the camera. So you can have the camera follow a path and just go through all this stuff. But I think overall, this is a pretty nice tutorial on the camera fly through, and there's just lots of cool things you can do with this.